Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a screen on Facebook Messenger. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to share your screen on your Facebook Messenger to one of your contacts, then first open up your Facebook Messenger application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you do that, the first thing to do is to start a video call in your Messenger application. Select one of the contacts with whom you would like to create a video call. Tap on the video call icon at the top right hand corner. Once the person picks up your video call, tap on the waffle button at the bottom of the page, and on the next page, select the share option right next to post, which is located at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap on start sharing, and that way you can share your screen with your contact on Facebook Messenger. You can easily share a live view of your screen for other contacts to see. This will show participants in the chat everything the user is doing on their mobile device. That is how you can easily share your screen on Facebook Messenger. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.